What's going on, guys? This is a trade recap for London session, the 8th of the 7th. So as you can see, I did take a few trades. It was one win, two break evens. This wasn't a win. I was just checking how much this ran for. So I nearly ping ponged NQ today. Nearly. This is first short. Both my boys took. It's clean. Took 45 minutes to deliver though, but I'll go over. This one was a break even as well. So this time on this trade, I didn't actually use my strategy that I'm building my model. I was just trading my normal strategy because it showed up here, and then we came back lower and then actually did my strategy, and then we actually ran, which is a good sign. And this one was another one of my strategy trades. So I'll go over why I took stuff. So coming into the day, I was honestly pretty neutral, as we had just this here. Trade open above, Asia high, relative equal highs here, unfilled gaps up here, like the unfilled 4 hour here. So we had a lot of liquidity, and I was alright with taking a short lower, so then we can push. So we could go like this and then get the delivery to go to that area. It's basically what happened. So we're coming closer to this in pre-market, and then I see us trade into this 15-minute gap right here. As soon as London opens, so we come up. We have a internal stop rate, putting in a small S&T, and I got a 30-second inversion out of this. Right here, as you can see. Now, I wasn't too happy about taking this trade because we were in a very deep discount, so we weren't actually in a premium for taking a short. So I'm not the proudest of, but I'm still learning London, and it does look like, because we're not so volatile, we're not going to be balanced all the time. But that's just like gaining data type of thing. So this was the setup here, 3.5 RR. And then I see that we take this. What is this? What do I target? I'm not tripping. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Sorry. So we had I had to close my position early because NQ took ES took Asia low. So there's SMT there. So I basically got out around here, 2.5 R. So see that we have an external SMT now, and we're delivering off this liquidity sweep, and now we have this draw above, these draws above, and we're just also really unbalanced. So we at least got to balance this first range here. So we trade up higher, and I see that we come lower, and then here, sorry. So yeah, we come up higher, we inverse these gaps, so it's actually showing us that we are bullish, sorry. And then I take this right here. Now the problem with this could have been because we only took this low out by basically 1 or 2 ticks. So maybe that could have been my fault, not the market's. Could have been my fault. But then we come up into this 5, and then we push back lower, creating another SMT, actually kind of sweeping out the low compared to this one. So that was a bit annoying. Whatever, doesn't really matter. That played for a lot of that was a good setup. And then we trade up higher to So I want Asia high right now. I'm at this point in time. I want Asia high and true day open. So if I can mark it out, I already had it marked it out. So I want these draws here. So see that we come higher and create a new 15-minute gap. Oops. So we come up higher. We trade into an hourly gap. I'm not worried about that because I'm expecting that to get ran through, same as this one. Well, this is actually my original target. I was being a little bit greedy. I was only on, So this point in time, we close above this, which is just a lot more added protection. And we have fair value gap right here, sponsored off the making this SMT. I want to see us rebalance this. Oh fuck. And we do that. Alright, so we do that. I find my entry criteria around here. High time frame gap. We hit 50%. I have a good draw on liquidity above. And I believe it was so it was this fair value gap inversion right here. Nice V shape. I think I'm gonna stop loss here. And I was targeting this because being a bit greedy, but we ended up reversing here for a 3.5 RR. And then for some reason we came up, and I don't know what this was. I don't think there was a tariff or anything. And we get this internal stop right here, like this, and then we just absolutely dump. And then I got break even. So yeah, that was interesting. I don't know why that happened for, because there wasn't any tariffs or anything. But first time trading London, like properly. I'm not trading New York anymore, and it actually went pretty well. So I nearly played ping pong the first day, and I also took a loss in Asia. Can't remember what it was though. I took one small loss in Asia. I know I was trying along, I think. But yeah. I think London's going to be my go-to, to be honest. But yeah. We'll see what happens with this stuff right now. Looks like there's a possible setup forming up right now, forming an internal SMT. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Good luck trading for the rest of the week. Peace out.